Hey guys, so today I'm going to be discussing what ABA is, more specifically applied behavior analysis. So I started off with the definition. Um, so according to Cooper, Heron, and Hewitt, applied behavior analysis, or ABA, is the science in which tactics are derived from the principles of behavior and they are applied to improve socially significant behaviors, and experimentation is used to identify the variables responsible for the improvement in those behaviors. So, in just easier words to understand, ABA is a science that uses its core principles to improve socially significant behaviors across various environments, whether it's home, school, or in community settings. ABA is also used to identify those variables that are responsible for increasing the rate of behavior. So, behavior analysts look at the antecedents of the behavior, which is what happens prior to the behavior occurring, and the consequences of the behavior, which is what happens following the behavior. ABA is also an evidence based practice, meaning that every tactic or treatment that behavior analysts use when trying to teach certain skills or reduce a problem behavior, it comes from research and has been proven to work across different people, even though ABA is unique to that specific client. So, how does ABA impact behaviors? It can increase communication, eye contact. It can even increase language skills, attention, memory, such as retaining or recalling past events. And it can increase pro social behaviors. It can also improve skills such as social skills, life skills, and vocational skills. And it can decrease the occurrence of problem behaviors such as aggression, self injurious behavior, and property destruction. Thanks, guys.